Okay, we see question number 2. Y prime plus x plus 1, y equal to exponential x squared, y cubed, and given us the initial conditions 1 over 2, y equal to, when x equal to 0, y equal to 1 over 2. Okay, and then we need to write this in terms of the standard form. So this already in the standard form. We need to identify what is the px. Px here is x plus 1, qx. Qx is exponential x squared, and n equal to 3. Okay, now we do the integration of px dx. Then we have x plus 1 dx. This is equal to x squared divided by 2 plus x. Okay, and then we substitute into our general formula here. Okay, for the Bernoulli equation, we have minus 1 minus n, then multiply with the px dx, and then we have 1 minus n integrating over qx exponential 1 minus n integrated over px dx plus c. Okay, this is a general formula. So we substitute the value here. So y minus 3, we get minus 2. And here we have 1 minus 2, so you get exponential 2. So the result of this integration, this part, is equal to this, right? So we just direct do the substitution. Here we have x squared plus 2 plus x. Okay, and then we have 1 minus n is minus 2. Then we have qx is exponential x squared. Then we have exponential minus 2 multiplied with x squared plus 2 plus x integrating dx plus c. Then we can simplify this. So we have a exponential x squared plus 2x, and this is equal to minus 2. So we have do the integrations here. We have exponential minus x squared, exponential minus 2x dx plus c. Okay, now we first solve for these internal calculations for this part. Okay, so we rewrite this exponential x squared plus 2x, and this is equal to exponential, so this one can be cancelled out. So what we left is exponential minus 2x. Okay, what we have is exponential minus 2x dx plus c. Okay, now we do the internal, now we can do the integrations. X squared plus 2x minus 2, here we exponential minus 2x divided by minus 2. Okay, then we have a plus c, right? So here we have exponential x squared plus 2x. So minus minus 2, we get exponential minus 2x plus c, right? Right, so we can rewrite this now. So we have 1 over y squared. This is equal to exponential x squared plus 2x exponential minus 2x plus c, right? Okay, we need to find the c. We need to find the c. Okay, and so we can rewrite this. Okay, so given y of 0, you get 1 over 2. This is our initial condition. So we substitute x equal to 0. So here we have y equal to 1 over 2 square, and here is exponential 0. We get 1. So you do this, you get 1 plus c, right? When you substitute x equal to 0, okay, substitute x equal to 0 to this term, and as well as this term, you get 1, right? So So if you do this, then your C value, you do this international calculation, then your C value is equal to 3. Okay, now the particular solution for this is 1 over y square. Okay, 1 over y square equal to exponential x cubed plus 3 exponential x cubed plus 2x. So this is our particular solution.